Olympiads, your gateway to global excellence and future success. How do you truly excel? How do you stand out globally? How do you build a future of limitless possibilities? The answer is in the world of Olympiad exams. Olympiads are premier competitive exams, challenging students from elementary to high school. We're talking about the International Mathematical Olympiad, IMO, International Physics Olympiad, IPHO, International Biology Olympiad, IBO, International Chemistry Olympiad, ISO, and the International Olympiad in Informatics, IOI. In India, leading names include the Science Olympiad Foundation, SOF, and those conducted by the Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, HBCSE. These exams push you to think deeper, solve tougher problems, and explore your true capabilities. Why invest your time? Olympiads offer unparalleled benefits. Deepen your subject mastery, going far beyond textbooks, tackling advanced concepts, sharpen critical problem solving, learning to analyze, strategize, and innovate. Boost your confidence, proving your intellectual mettle on a global stage. Identify and nurture talent, discovering and developing your exceptional academic gifts. And crucially, they lay a powerful foundation for all future competitive exams. Looking at elite universities or a dream career? Your Olympiad achievements are game changers. They supercharge your university applications, making you a standout candidate for top institutions worldwide. They open doors to prestigious scholarships and unique academic programs. For careers, the analytical thinking, innovation, and resilience forged in Olympiads are exactly what employers seek in every field, from cutting-edge tech and research to finance and consulting. You're not just learning, you're developing a winning mindset for life. Ready to take the leap? Your journey to academic excellence and a bright future begins now. Click here to explore international Olympiads like IMO and IPHO. Visit SOF India's website for details on their diverse programs. Learn about HBCSE Olympiads for national science competitions. And for deeper insights and preparation strategies, subscribe to the English Series channel. Don't just compete, dominate.